What is abstract expressionism? Abstract expressionism is a term applied to a movement in American painting that flourished in New York City after World War II, sometimes referred to as the New York School, or, more narrowly, as action painting. The varied work produced by the abstract expressionists resists definition as a cohesive style. Instead, these artists shared an interest in using abstraction to convey strong emotional or expressive content. Abstract expressionism is best known for large-scale paintings that break away from traditional processes, often taking the canvas off of the easel and using unconventional materials such as house paint. While abstract expressionism is often considered for its advancements in painting, its ideas had deep resonance in many mediums, including drawing and sculpture. It is important to note that although it is the accepted designation, abstract expressionism is not an accurate description of the body of work created by these artists. Indeed, the movement comprised many different painterly styles varying in both technique and quality of expression. Despite this variety, abstract expressionist paintings share several broad characteristics. They often use degrees of abstraction, that is, they depict forms unrealistically or, at the extreme end, forms not drawn from the visible world. They also emphasize free, spontaneous, and personal emotional expression, and they exercise considerable freedom of technique and execution to attain this goal, with a particular emphasis laid on the exploitation of the variable physical character of paint to evoke expressive qualities, for example, sensuousness, dynamism, violence, mystery, lyricism. They show similar emphasis on the unstudied and intuitive application of that paint in a form of psychic improvisation akin to the automatism of the surrealists, with a similar intent of expressing the force of the creative unconscious in art. They display the abandonment of conventionally structured composition built up out of discrete and segregable elements and their replacement with a single unified, undifferentiated field, network, or other image that exists in unstructured space. And finally, the paintings fill large canvases to give these aforementioned visual effects both monumentality and engrossing power.